A very good morning, boys and girls. Today we are here to talk about P4 IPW. This year we are focusing on doing a water bottle rocket. Your IPW project will last for 4 weeks and in which it includes your March holiday. It will start this week in term 1 week 10 and it will end next term 2 week 2, where your teacher will do the final oral presentations with you. So why do we do IPW? The reason of doing IPW is for you to learn project work skills, and most importantly, IPW makes up 60% of your CA2 marks. Now let us look at what is IPW. IPW stands for Interdisciplinary Project Work, where it involves a combination of subjects and skills. The IPW we are doing is a collaboration of both science and English, and we are looking into the IT skills as well as your project work skills. For science, you will be doing planning as well as constructing of water rocket, where individual one of you will make your very own water rocket. Beside planning and constructing your water rocket, another important thing that you will be doing individually will be your reflective journal. Okay, under this journal, you're going to record what you observe and what you do. It is very important to do this because this will serve as an evidence for your teacher to see that you are doing your work throughout the process of your IPW. Once everyone has constructed their rockets, your teacher will arrange a time for each group to launch their rockets. During the launching, it is very important for you to take note of what you observe as well as the airborne time of each and every rocket. After which, within a group, you will take note or record down the rocket with the best airborne time in your pupil resource file. Okay, in these slides are some examples of water rockets. Beside planning, constructing and launching a rocket, you also required to do some online research on water rocket. There will be some questions in your pupil resource file, and based on the questions you'll go online and do more research. One example will be like, how do water bottle rocket fly? Okay, beside doing the research, of course, most importantly is the script writing. You need the script in order to do your group presentations. Your English teacher will guide you through the process of script writing. There will be a template in your pupil resource file and some guiding questions to help you with the script writing. Upon completing your script, you will have to practice your script before your actual group presentations. There will be 2 oral rehearsal sessions. During the sessions, your teacher will bring you to the computer labs where you will use Newsmaker to rehearse for your oral presentations. As mentioned earlier, beside the IT skills, we are also looking into project work skills. This year, we are focusing on the collaboration skill, which means that your teacher will give marks based on how well you work as a group and whether your group can manage to complete your task on time. Over here is an overview of the subjects and skills covered in this IPW. As you can see here, the subjects involved are science and English, and the skills involved are IT skills as well as project work skills. Each group has to have a group project file where you keep all your research material, individual project booklet, presentation scripts, as well as all rough and draft works in this file. Please take note over here, it is important to keep all the drafts and rough work in the file. Do not throw them away, as these drafts and rough work will be graded as part of your overall marks. Now let us look at what to be included in your group presentations. First, you have to include all your research informations in your group presentations, your science project findings such as your launching all your data, as well as the final group reflections on how well your experiment goes and what can be improved.
Okay, boys and girls, please take note of the following important points when you are preparing for your presentations. Please take note that each group is only given 5 minutes to present your findings, and that during these 5 minutes of presentations, every member has to have an equal portions of work to present. How do you go about presenting your work? You can use visual aids such as PowerPoint and flip chart to present your work. While preparing for your presentations, don't forget about the checklists and rubrics which are found in your pupil resource files to help you and guide you. Last but not least, rehearse well. Some final tips before I end my presentations. Remember I mentioned earlier that collaborations is one of the important skills in this IPW. Therefore, it is very important for you to work as a team. In order to work as a team, you have to do your part. Do not leave your part for your friends to do it for you. Next, don't wait for your teacher to tell you when to do or what to do for your IPW. Although time is allocated for you to do your IPW in class, you might still need to meet up with your teammate outside curriculum time to complete or make some changes to your final presentations. Don't forget that this IPW make up 60% of your CA2 marks, so it is very important for you to put in extra time and extra effort in order to get good result for your IPW. Lastly, you may encounter some hiccups or problems during the process of doing your IPW. But remember, don't give up. As long as you do your best, your effort will be recognized. I've reached the end of my presentations. Have fun doing your project work. Bye!